The mood was somber Thursday at the business school, the same day the university spokesperson revealed who the victims were.
Students were graduating seniors. They were business majors, both in accounting.
25-year-old Macquarie Tarlit Caligiran, known as Cindy, and 26-year-old Thomas Kyle Williams were both found shot to death in Caligiran's car Tuesday night. 54-year-old Napoleon Lavarius Caligiran was the shooter and husband of the female victim. He was found a few feet away from the car with a self-inflicted gunshot wound. They were found shot to death inside a car in the 10th Street garage Tuesday night, but their identities were not released until Thursday morning because Cindy's family, who lives in the Philippines, had not been notified until the night before. Cindy's classmates are shocked.
It's terrifying, and it's I can't believe it was her. She was my classmate. She was sitting right next to me, and
Death might affect a family and a few people, but it affects a lot more than that.
Both victims were members of Beta Alpha Psi, an accounting fraternity. Even students who did not know the victims are shaken.
I just think it's really sad. It's really upsetting. I feel bad for them and their families, and it seems like if they're graduating in two weeks, they had a bright future. It's just really upsetting to know that that happened in our community.
The shooting is still under investigation by the University Police Department, and the relationship between the victims is still in question. Investigators say there was a history of domestic abuse within the Caligiran marriage.
Counseling services are available to students, faculty, and staff 24 hours a day and for free. Meantime, there are plans in the works to honor the students who had died, perhaps at the graduation that they were supposed to attend. Live on campus, Erin Sterner, Update News.